If you're into quiet luxury, this celine wallet might be your next obsession. This is a Triumph local print shop wallet. Glassy canvas, signature Triumph pattern, instantly recognizable but not loud. And look at this, it's a 2-in-1 design. Card slots, cash compartment, and a detachable coin pouch. Small but super practical. It fits perfectly in mini bags. Crossbody, no problem. Even those tiny shoulder bags still works. Compact but not compromising storage. Gold tone hardware, clean stitching, that structured silhouette, chef's kiss. It's giving rich girl energy without trying too hard. If you have been looking for a luxury wallet that's timeless and practical, this is it. Limited stock available. DM us or comment Triumph to secure yours.